So guys, this is Zinc. There is an airdrop for Zksync domain name holders. So if you have registered or you minted or you bought a domain name last year, for me I bought mine last year. That's ZNS domain name is still the same thing as Zksync domain name. If you bought any of it or you can buy now, if you can afford it now, there is an airdrop that is ongoing, so you can partake in it. So the airdrop is not really official, so we don't know if it's real or scam, so we don't know which. But after claiming, I advise you disconnect your wallet. So I've tried different, let me show you how to do it. I tried different browser and it was a little bit slow. So I think the best browser you can use is the MetaMask browser itself, where you have your Zksync there. So and the gas fee is always needed. So let me head over to my MetaMask. Yeah, it's loading. That just shuts it down. Sometimes it takes time like this. Okay, so this is it has opened. So there are two airdrops. One is beecoin.io and the second one is zkpassport.co. And if you check on Twitter, you might see zkpassport.io. That's not the correct address. Is .co. That is the right address. So I will drop everything in the description. So if you're on Twitter, you see it on um, my Twitter post. So make sure you are following me. And if you're on YouTube, you see it on my description, and you also see this video tutorial also on the comment section. So just for direction in case you are lost. So once you are on your MetaMask, you need I believe you know how to do it if you already have Zksync or if you bought the domain in last year. So the first thing you need to do is to change the network name. You move it from Ethereum to this Zksync. That's where I am right now. So then you move over to the browser, the MetaMask internal browser. So after this swap sign, you can see just immediately after it by the right, you click on the browser. As you can see here, I've already opened, this is the first one, beecoin.io, beecoin.io. So this is what they need me to do. They need me to connect my wallet first. So I'll click on MetaMask since I'm already on MetaMask. That's connected. So select is this sync domain name. Yeah, this is my domain name, Yungchief. So claim, that's a free mint. Okay, so gas fee is currently 0.0012. Okay, no, no, that's not it. Estimated gas 0.001818. I don't know the equivalent in dollar right now, but I'm going to click on confirm. So in case you don't have a ZK Sync domain name right now, you can also buy. So I think they are still selling. You can also buy to partake in this particular airdrop, but I don't know when this is going to end. So, but I think you take action quick. This is taking time. So why this is ongoing? Okay, okay. You have minted now. You have minted now. Invite or add to wallet. Um, Let me click on add to wallet. Let's see. Yes, add to wallet, of course. Imported token. So after meeting, you need to add to wallet. So I'm done with this. So like I said, I will drop you a link. So let's move over to the. So I can actually disconnect my wallet right now from here. So I'm going to click on disconnect since I've already minted. So disconnect. So you can see connect wallet. So let's move over to the second one, which is ZK passport. This zkpassport.co, I tried using me browser and also Chrome. I was being requested that I should download a MetaMask, so that's why I came down here. So I've made all the necessary research before I made this video. So it's best you do it on your MetaMask, or maybe if you're using a PC, is better that way. You can use Google Chrome on PC. Definitely the MetaMask will turn up. But if you're on phone and you're trying to use MetaMask or Brave browser or MI browser, that is me browser, it's going to give you a difficult time. So I suggest you use MetaMask internal browser. All right. So what I'm going, because the moment you click on free mint on those browsers, they are going to tell you to download MetaMask, whereas there was already MetaMask on your phone. So, but on this MetaMask internal browser, once I click on free mint, I'll be directed to connect my wallet. Okay, one account detected. Free mint. I do have Zksync. Okay, you can see it took time. Free mint again. I say I do have Zksync. Your Zksync. Okay, I didn't get that. That was very fast. Let me see. Your Zksync has successfully obtained an NFT passport. Now you can invite friends. Okay, you can see this particular one is quite very fast, unlike the BEECOIN.io. So I'm still going to drop this. Let me see. I saw airdrop here. Let me just check out something. Let me see. Click on claim. Claim has not yet started. So you can just do this and you wait till when claim is activated. All right. So permission. I'm going to disconnect it. I don't want it connected. So I click, the first thing I clicked on was this sign at the top at the very right that have this looks like it's not barcode and has zeal at the top. So once you click on it, it will show you permission. So you click on the this first one, permission. It will take you to, you can see your account connected here. Then you click on the disconnect, or you can disconnect from every other place. You know what? After I disconnect here, so it has disconnected from here now. So just to be safe, just in case. So guys, like I said, in case you don't have Zksync domain name, that's is still the same thing as ZNS, that's ZNS, is still the same thing. All right, so I think you should obtain it and participate in this airdrop. All right, you can check out my other videos, and don't forget that hot mining is still on, and this is going to be one of the biggest mining in the crypto space. So you can check all of my videos on my YouTube channel, or check my Twitter post, my previous post. You will see a link there, so you can actually join in, continue and watch my videos, and make sure you watch from the beginning to the end so that you get the instruction on the right thing to do, because there are some few knowledge you need to get about hot mining before coming in. All right, so it's easy, and it's going to be one of the biggest, bigger than Hive, bigger than eyes. All right, so see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do share to your friends. All right, see you guys.